Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now already 6:35 and we are going out. And we are now here in Nelson Bay Portion. Yeah, I just stopped here because I saw that it's different color. It looks very clear. Yeah, those mountain, the trees. Yeah, the details is more clear than in any other days. And that is because of the sunrise. Yeah, the sunrise is only focusing on those trees, not yet on the water. That's why this looks beautiful this time. Yeah, that's only the reason why I stopped here. And notice, yeah, there are many like dry woods. Yeah, that I think is coming from the other islands or from underwater. Yeah, but let's get closer. It's like a wood or kind of a stem of the tree, a branch of the trees. How come it is coming from underwater? Yeah, look at this, and all those things. Yeah, where they are coming from? Or maybe coming from the river. Yeah, where are they coming from? It's okay, there are things that really things happen that not necessarily affecting our lives directly. Okay, we go back to our plan. Yeah, I'm actually feeling the cold from this side because it doesn't cover. Yeah, there's just like a vest. Just to understand what's going on, baby. It's just living my life, let's not overanalyze. Let's go too deep with it, baby. And yeah, I end up coming here in Pingle Bay instead of Shoal Bay. This is how it is at the moment. There are many Corellia. Those birds that is like a cockatoo. Yeah, this Corellia, they don't have a crown. The yellow crown. Outside is cold. That's why I'm staying here inside the car while having this yeah, raisin bread and coffee. It's actually Brayos. Yeah, Brayos, the one that I bought in Aldi. The sunrise in this area and this spot is beautiful because the sun is basically rising in between those two mountains. And now there's no more sun. It is covered with big clouds. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 11:25 and my duty today is 2 o'clock. Oh, let me show you this. This is dry now. Yeah, now it's good. But for sure, it will last for a long time. And already took a shower, ready to go to work. But I need to make a coffee first. Also, I was able to upload a video. Nice, I like it. And we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. I'm going to withdraw money from the ATM machine. Inigo sent me again the money for his house rent. Yeah, and I'm going to encash that. Withdraw. And then I'm going to give it to Chef Matt. I am also going to buy something like a bread. Oh, look at this cauliflower. Yeah, the color violet. Nice. Oh, I'm going to get this donut. Yeah, chocolate coated donut. Nice donuts. No, that's too sweet. I'll go for this cinnamon donuts. It's 12 pieces. It's just $3. Oh, just now I noticed that there is a Westpac and St. George here. Yeah, nice. I actually have a Westpac check that I need to be in cash. Yeah, that is the refund coming from New South Wales driving test that I canceled before during the pandemic. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, still early, 10:35, and yeah, I'm cooking the chicken. That is going to be a chicken curry, and I also need to do the laundry because I am day off today. Look at that, the milk separated the water or maybe oil of this coconut milk. Maybe this is fake. And this is my meal. Yeah, it is now almost 11:30, and the sky is starting to be dark and it's going to rain. Oh no, there is a hail. Yeah, it is raining hail this time. This is not good for the car. That hail is could possibly damage the paint of the car, but it's okay, it's covered with the insurance. Also, the chimney is covered with it's covered with ceramic paint, so I think that ceramic paint is enough to protection from that hail.